The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, I'm EmRatThich. Su Xin has an amazing forehand. Today, let's learn a lesson with Coach Su Xin, translated and commented by myself. Receive a short ball on the forehand side is not easy. This tutorial has two parts. Part 2.
What options does he have for this shot? Can he go for a flick kill? Probably not. Well, right? In theory, yes. There's another situation. If you serve a pure short ball, then there's no hesitation. But if you serve to the middle or just long, I might hesitate between flicking and pushing. That's all about judgment. You need to read where the first and second bounce will land. If the second bounce is here, it's more likely to be short. If the first bounce lands here, then you can be sure it won't go long. But if the first bounce is here, then it might go long. Exactly. So you have to focus and need to watch and decide. That wasn't bad. Why does it look different on camera? Maybe it's more noticeable with your left hand. For example, if he serves straight, I might only see it clearly at the last moment. Why don't you go serve a couple for him? Maybe I'm judging a bit late. There's not enough reaction time. Are you holding the ball with your left hand directly? Oh, I see. Right. Look, you didn't get into position again. That's your own issue. Yeah, it's a footwork problem. I served too deep. Sorry, I made it tough for you. If I serve here, is it easier to push short? You can still push well here. Because it's within your body space, the worst way is to take it from here. Yes. That happened because I served too long. Your short push was fine. Any issues with it? It doesn't work in matches. We should let him try. Was there a problem with that short push? It looked good. Yeah, I think it was good. Yeah, that's right. That was bad. Look at your weight shift. You got squeezed over here too close to me. That short push was almost as good as Ma Long's. That's too much. You feel comfortable playing it from here. It's easier because it's within your body space. That's why you need to adjust your position with your legs. It's not just about getting into position. It's about having the right touch. It's about the right method. Most people might just reach out directly with their hands. What will you do if a left-hander serves this ball? Left-handers make me uncomfortable too. How would you return this serve? I tend to return it slightly tilted. So, imagine I'm your opponent. Today, I'm serving a side spin, top spin serve. What will you do? I probably can only like this. Ha! How will you return this serve? Many players dislike playing against left-handers. Left-handers have tricky serves, especially when they serve to the middle, especially when there's a lot of side spin. If they put a lot of spin on it, I definitely won't rush it. So if a left-hander serves this, it's hard to receive. But if a right-hander serves the same ball, isn't it the same principle? But in amateur play, reverse pendulum serves are less common. That's why if a left-hander serves with a strong spin, you don't believe me? Ask them. You're saying, this is your racket angle like this. You should keep it more vertical. Hold your racket like this. Vertically, like this. Move a little closer. Yes, like this. When I serve this ball, just return it like this. You definitely have to brush downward. If I serve side spin, top spin, you don't need to force it. The lighter your racket angle should be like this. You can't hold it like this. Like this cut. Cut it from below and lift slightly upward. Almost, your racket angle keeps flattening out when you cut. Keep it vertical. Hey, this feels good. You see, instant improvement. Maybe before, I followed the spin too much. Following the spin makes it hard to control, and it's easy to pop up. It's impossible to keep it short, so you need to keep your racket then brush forward. It will land in the right spot. Since my serve has side spin, just aim for the middle. That becomes a forehand placement. Is this a backspin serve? It's really spinny. Think about it. Should your racket be more upright? No problem. Your racket must stay upright. If you hold it flat, it won't work. Aim properly. Now, it won't go long, right? Yes, now you can control it. If you return like this, you'll easily get caught by the spin. It's easy to push with a side spin motion. It feels like this makes it easier to be affected by spin. You will push it straight to the middle. You can go a little lower. Look, you need to watch my ball. If I serve with this much side spin, you must adjust vertically. Then there won't be as much side spin. If you receive like this, you won't be able to return it properly. You still need to keep it more vertical. Receive keep it just average. Upright. No, you can't. You can't just touch it. Here, you need to go downward. What kind of serve? If you chop like this, do you hear that sound? Pai. Are you receiving it upright? You don't even need to use force. You just need to control the angle. It's all about the legs. Your legs should move, not just reach like this. Look, see? My hand just stays here. I rely on my legs. Just take small steps to adjust. Try placing it. I'll put my hand here. See? It works. Just lightly touch it. Just a slight contact. If you drag like this, do you hear the sound? That's slipping. The more side spin you put, the more it slips. Grip. Exactly. The more tense you are, the more you go against the spin. Because of your serve, I should follow the spin. If I follow it, I will naturally return it to the left. If I return it to the right, that means I'm countering strong spin. I have to counter-rotate it. That makes it easy to slip. So if I keep it flat, I won't be affected by the spin. Look, I didn't even use force in the legs. Ah, I see. Why didn't I push it? I knew it would go long. From the first bounce, I could tell whether it might go off the table. If the first bounce lands here, it will go short. That makes it easier to judge. He missed it. This is table tennis. It's all about judgment. Right, I knew that ball. I could attack it. But I was teaching you to play short. I might not judge it perfectly yet. This is just muscle memory. This also comes from time and practice. Wait, no, you can see the racket from over there, yeah? That's right. A lot of players have a misconception. At first, I tell them to hold it like this, but as soon as I serve, they drop it like this. Just place your hand fixed in this position. Hold it steady. Use your other hand to block it. Just pinch it in place. Don't let the racket move. It's that simple. When you receive the ball, you don't need to use force. Just make a light touch. Use finesse. It's a bit like getting an injection. Especially when they prick your finger. They don't stab straight in like this. It's just a quick pocus. Is similar to getting an injection. Even though I've never had an injection myself, I know the technique. Right. Your legs are also important. You need to use your legs to get into position. I received it. How many people can actually flick this ball? Even I find it hard to get into this position. But aren't you practicing? You need the right technique, right? This still isn't good enough. You're doing better than me.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.